Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm putting 5 viral life hacks to the test. These promise to make your life so much easier this fall 2025, but do they actually work? Or are they just another internet myth? We're about to find out. Let's get started and see which ones are a win and which are a total fail. First up, for those chilly autumn mornings, this hack claims that wrapping your coffee mug with a bit of foil will keep it warm longer. It sounds a little strange, but I'm willing to try anything for a hot coffee. So I have 2 identical mugs here. I'll wrap one in foil and leave the other one as is. Let's set a timer for 10 minutes and see what happens. Okay, time's up. Let's check the temperature. Wow, you can definitely feel the difference. The foil-wrapped mug is noticeably warmer. I'm calling this one a definite win. Hack number 2 is for when you need a cold drink fast. Maybe guests just showed up, or you forgot to stock the fridge. The trick is to wrap a can in a wet paper towel and pop it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. I've got one can wrapped and ready, and another one going in plain, just for comparison. All right, 15 minutes have passed. Let's see the results. Yep, it's super chilled. It's way colder than the one I just put in the freezer normally. This is a game changer for impromptu get-togethers. Another win. Next up, a super practical one for all of us who are glued to our screens. You can supposedly use two binder clips to create an instant phone stand. You just clip them together like this. And then prop up your phone. And look at that. It's a perfect, sturdy little stand for watching videos hands-free while you're cooking or working. It's so simple, but genuinely effective. This one gets a big thumbs up from me. Hack number 4 is a kitchen classic that promises to peel a whole head of garlic in just 10 seconds. All you need is a jar with a lid. Just break up the head, toss the cloves inside, screw the lid on tight, and shake it like you mean it. Let's give it a go. Wow, look at that. Almost all the cloves are perfectly peeled, and the skins just fell right off. This is so much faster than peeling them one by one. And for our final hack, using a dryer sheet to dust. The idea is that the sheet's anti-static properties not only pick up dust, but also help prevent it from resettling so quickly. Let's try it on this dusty shelf here. It works like a charm. It picks up everything, and it's especially great for electronics and screens where dust loves to cling. I'd call this another successful hack. So there you have it, 5 quick life hacks tested, and I'm honestly surprised that they all worked so well. Which one was your favorite? Are you going to try any of these? Let me know in the comments below. And tell me if you want me to test out more crazy hacks in a future video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share this with a friend who loves a good DIY trick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.